Hello, my friend. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to me, thank you for stopping by and checking us out and seeing what we're all about. My name is Kelly Jackson. I've been a corporate recruiter for 30 long years and moved through the ranks, talent acquisition leader for several companies. Now I provide information, education, and equip midlife corporate professionals that are on a career journey. And my goal, my hope is to provide information, resources, knowledge around things that will enhance you, elevate you, empower you, and equip you while you're on your career journey. Now, I wanted to make this particular video because it's going to be attached to another video that I made and I took down. What I neglected to do was to provide some context around the video that I took down, and that's on me. And for that, I wanted to come and share why what's talked about in the video was created. So it's a platform that we've created in our community that we can be together outside of our weekly live session. So if you're new, we have a weekly live session where we're together every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have discussions, I should say, around career related topics. So for instance, it could be around interviewing or compensation or things that are happening with artificial intelligence. And so a couple times as well, we provide just Q&A sessions where we have questions that are asked and then they're answered, not just by me, but others in the community as well. And you'll notice I say it's a community because I truly believe that it's never just about me, it's about all of us. And so this platform that I shared in the video that's going to be linked to this video that I'm discussing is another way for us to connect outside of just our weekly regular cadence session that we have. Someone mentioned it in the community that they were interested, or have we ever thought about gathering outside? I had thought about it, but I just didn't share that with the group. I wasn't sure if it's something everyone wanted to do. And so we created a platform. We had a vote on the platform. If you're watching this on YouTube right now, there's a tab that says community. You can click on that tab and you'll see the poll where we voted between the two platforms. And the platform we chose was one that I had already created. It was just kind of sitting there, but I didn't move on it because I wasn't sure if people were going to be interested. Well, lo and behold, they are. It's thriving. It's got people in it. And so I explained that in this video that will come after this video I'm doing here, but I received some feedback when I posted that video that I should have provided more context. The feedback was absolutely correct. And so I'm sharing this intro video now to provide context on what the platform is, why it's there, and what's going to happen on there. So quickly, because I don't want this to get too long, it's there because the community asked for it, and it's something I had thought about anyway. It's an opportunity for us to get together outside of our weekly regular live sessions that we do on Tuesday. We discuss on the platform everything around careers, and then we have some side conversations around music and books and podcasts and movies and business and things like that. It's just an opportunity for us to gather and have a safe space that we can come together as a community. There isn't a lot of places for mid-level or midlife professionals. And so it's something that I wanted to create it specifically for those 50 years of age and older, because we think alike, right? And we have different things that we're thinking about at this stage in our life. So that's what this community is. It's brand new. We just created it, so we're still building it. So come in, look around, contribute. What can we add? What are some of your thoughts? What would you like to see? It's not a single person thing. It's a community effort. So if you still have questions or need clarity around what this is, please drop me a comment below. If it's something that I'm missing to share, if you have a question, I'd love to hear it and see it and read it and respond to it. So you can do that below in the comment section here. Again, if you need more clarity or if it's something I'm missing, please share it with me. I'm happy to respond to that. Okay. So now what you'll see next is me going through the platform. All right. Hello, my friend. So we have our community. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you had a great weekend. Wanted to share our community. If you are not in it, we're missing you. We're missing you. So this is the Discord. This is what this platform is called, and we're in here. We're all in here. And this is an opportunity for us to connect outside of our Tuesday live sessions that we do. If you're new, we do a Tuesday live session every week just to share topical based training as well as Q&As. This is an opportunity for us to connect outside of just Tuesday. It's important for us to connect as a community because it's essential that we have a space, right, as professionals to connect with each other, to support each other, empower each other, listen to each other, share with each other. We haven't done that as a result of, it's been limited, I should say, since COVID, right? Everyone was in kind of like their own isolated bubble. And since that time, a lot of people have stayed in that isolation. So this is an opportunity for you to join and have a sense of belonging with like-minded professionals. So I want to walk you through kind of what this is. Upon kind of entering the platform, you'll see a place right here to start. It'll say start here. So it's step by step and it'll give you a place to start. Don't worry about anything else. Just start right here. So it gives you an overview, a welcome here. You can see we've already been in here kind of cutting up already. So happy to have you. There's a link that will be connected to this video. Click on the link and you'll automatically come in. The only thing that we ask is that you share a picture. See, everyone's sharing a picture. And then what you're going to do next is go to this introductions. These are called channels. All of these hashtags here, they're called channels. And share a little bit about yourself. This helps us to get to know you. You get to know us. This is how we commune together. And it helps in networking. You never know who has a key to a door that you need unlocked. So it's a great opportunity for you to share, for you to connect, as well as get some information. This platform is totally free for you. I'm footing the bill for this one. You can see here there's categories. So welcome will be this category. As you can see where my cursor is, career will be this category. And we're building this out together. This isn't a Kelly thing. So upon entering on the platform, when you click on the link, you're going to go through an onboarding session, I guess, and it's going to ask you how you want to contribute. And so we're going to build some of these out together. So you'll see, and some of them, they're blank because we haven't, we're just thinking of ideas as a community and what to put in here. So here's another category. Here's some folks that just joined. We'll have a section for resources as well as money, and then whatever else that we want to come up with. We have business and starting a business. We have media. Media recommendations, movies, binge shows, podcasts. But just a great opportunity for you to get some information condensed from all of the information that's out there on the internet. It can be overwhelming. And so here's a place where it will be organized information. If you want to tap into how to increase your salary, how to get more money, all of those things, promotions, how to elevate in your career, leadership, interviewing. And again, we're going to continue to add on to this. Now, we are having an event, and this is on October 5th. And you want to get in before the event. We're going to, as you can see here, October 5th, there'll be an event. There'll be giveaways. It'll be a lot more about the platform. So come on in, have a seat, look around, come and join us. And we look forward to reading your introduction and seeing your beautiful face inside of the Secret Success Society. See you in.